How to enable payments in Biscuit. Biscuit actually comes with built-in support for payment collection. So if you have an app idea where you want to monetize it from day one, you can go ahead and enable the payments on your app and start collecting payments from day one. It is that easy. So I want to show you a demo of how we can do that in an app, and then you can go ahead and try it on your own app as well. I'll explain some of the basic details of how we function in the backend at the end of this video. So you may want to stay for that, but for now, let's jump to the demo. What I have on my screen is the dashboard. So this is the first time if you're logging in, you will probably have a blank screen, but I have got some projects going on. For this demo, I'm going to use the app idea of creating memes by simply paying some money. So let's assume you've got an app where people want to generate a meme and they can go ahead and generate it if they pay, let's say $1 or $2. And so that's what I'm going to try and build today. I'm going to click on this new project. So I'm saying here, I want to build a web app that generates memes. We'll divide this demo into two parts. The first part is actually getting the app done, and the second part is enabling the payments. So let's get the app done first, and then I'll show you how to enable payments. So I'll click on enter here. And immediately you can see that the AI starts thinking about this particular prompt, and now it will probably come up with some idea on how to build an app. And here in Biscuit, we create some list of features that you can choose from. So it creates memes with text overlays, that's fine. Browse ready-made templates, probably don't want it, so I'm going to remove that. Generate memes from your idea, yes, that's what I want to do. Edit text size, color, and position if you want it. For now, I will just keep it simple. I'll just look for creating a meme and then generating a meme from an idea. So I'll click on next here. You can see that immediately it starts to work in the canvas. Now the designs will appear here shortly, and I'll be able to see the app that I'm trying to generate here. This is the most satisfying part of Biscuit. I get to see how AI is working, adding each element to the screen one by one. You can see that the cursor is doing this job here by adding all the stuff. So this is pretty interesting. It is creating a web app for me. All right. And currently this is my main page. This is the home screen. And I can go ahead and see the editor here. So if you want to edit the meme, I guess it's also going to do that. Alright, my app is ready on the canvas here. The AI is telling me that the meme app is ready. It is built, and I'm ready to do the next thing. So let's take a look at the app for now. I can see that I can make a meme in seconds. I have to describe my idea. And once I describe the idea, it will give me a meme. So that's the idea here. Now this app that I see is on canvas mode. So I'm going to click on build now. Now right now the app is being built. It is creating the data models. It is creating workflows. So things that are required in order to make this app functional is what is going to happen now. In this case, the sketch is going to get converted to a built app. So this is where you can start seeing the preview of the app and play around with the features. Right, my app is built. This is a preview mode here. I can see that it's pretty functional. It's pretty good. So now here's the important thing that we want to do with this app. We want to enable payments here. There are two ways to do it. One is actually chatting with AI and telling that I want to enable this payments feature and this is how it should work. The second one is actually clicking on the sidebar here. Once the app is built, you will get to see this sidebar having more options. When you're in the canvas mode, you only see one or two options, but once the app is built, you have more choices here. So if you click on payments, this is where you can see this one-click action where it will go ahead and say set up payments. So let's try this option for now, and I'll click on set up payments. And this is where it automatically generates a prompt. How can I make money with MemeForge? It is actually suggesting me some monetization ideas. So it's telling me I could do a credit pack. So you can sell the bundles of AI meme generations. Let's say 10 credits or 50 credits. That's interesting. You can have a pro subscription. You can subscribe monthly plan, which is what we already know. And then there is one-time purchases. So you can sell a premium template pack for one time. I like the credit pack idea. So let's go ahead and do a credit pack. Let's say I want credit packs with 10 credits for $2. Let's do a $2 payments. At the end of this response, there is a mention of how we handle the payments. So in Biscuit, we handle the payments through Stripe checkout. So in the backend, we have integrated with Stripe, and therefore it's easy to collect the payments from your end users. So now I'm just going to say enter, and let's see what it does. Right, payment setup is done. So now AI is telling me that your credit pack system is live. Here's what was added. We have 10 credits for $2. Users buy through a secure Stripe checkout page. We have a credit balance. So AI did it by itself. We have auto deduction. So if you do an AI meme generation, then 1 credit will be deducted. And then you can buy a prompt if you want. So give it a try in the preview, and let's check the preview here. So I'm going to minimize this a little bit. Now, so in here, you can see that buy 10 for $2. That's an option. And it tells me that you are out of credits, buy a pack to keep generating AI memes. Now, if you click on it, it will actually give you a test checkout flow. So you can see this is a test mode payment, and you can enter these details and you can continue to a checkout. So if you click on continue to checkout, you will be taken to Stripe's checkout page. And this is where the user can go ahead and make the payment. Now, testing a payment is good, but I want to actually show you a real payment. So let's do that. And for now, what I'll do is go ahead and publish this app. Continue. Continue. And it's going to do some safety checks here. Alright, so safety checks are done. I can see everything is good to go. I'm going to click on publish. And my app is live. So I'll click this URL. Let's open this up. Fantastic. Let me log in, because in order to make the payments, you do have to log in as a user. And so I'll click on login here and complete my login flow. Now, Biscuit supports login with Google. That's a built-in user authentication mechanism. As you can see, if I do not buy this credits, the button is actually disabled. So that's good. Now, when I click on buy 10 for $2, it will open a Stripe checkout flow. And as you can see, this is Stripe's UI. So user can enter their own card details over here. I'll go ahead and enter my details, make the payment, and then we will see how this works. Now the payment has been successfully done. I can see that the 10 credits are applied here after the payment is completed. And let's check what I see in my dashboard. So I'm going to switch to my project view, and I will show you where the transaction is getting recorded. Now I'm back to my preview here. As you can see here on the sidebar, we have multiple options. If you click on payments, this is where your payment data will be recorded. I can see there was a sale of $2 here. And if you have new payments coming in, they will all appear here for this specific app. Now let's also see how the wallet looks like. So if I click on manage balance and payout, I'll be taken to the wallet view. Wallet view is same as what you see on the home screen here. So you see this balance, now it is getting updated. If you click on view details, you'll come back to the same wallet view here. Now two things are happening. First, our payment is being recorded. So let's see at the bottom here, we have a sale of $2. Next transaction is actually a bonus from Biscuit platform for our initial promotional offer, where we are giving you a matched credit. So if you collect $2, we offer you $2 that can be used on Biscuit platform. Now basically this is a bonus from our side, but you have collected $2. Now these $2 will be available to withdraw. Of course, you will have to collect a lot more money. It will be available to withdraw once you have reached a minimum threshold of $5, and then you can go ahead and set up your bank account in order to do that. The way to set up the bank account is to click on set up bank account, and you select the specific country, and you go through the initial KYC flow that is dictated by Stripe, and you enter all the details required, and then you can go ahead and cash out. Now you saw how easy it was to create an app and set up payments, collect your first live payment, and also see the transactions here in the wallet. Of course, the next step is to setting up the payout. So you can watch another video on how to set up payouts and how to get the money into your bank account. But collecting payments is very easy, and we take the risk of doing the initial payment setup for you. So basically we are collecting it on behalf of you. Now there are a few important things that you may want to note when it comes to checkout. If you did not notice it in the first go, you will want to notice it now. We have something called as payment for Memeforge processed by Biscuit. Now we are collecting the payments on your behalf. So imagine you are the Memeforge, that is a company or it is an app which is run by you. The payment is processed by Biscuit. What this means is on Stripe's account, we are the ones that have been registered as merchant of record for the initial payment that you're collecting. And when you want to actually cash it out and pay it out to your bank account, you would have to go through the KYC. So what we are trying to do here is getting you to the revenue as fast as possible, and then it's easy to do rest of the flows that are required in order to do the payouts to your bank account. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you to explain how Biscuit enables payments. If you have an app idea and you want to monetize it, I think you know where to go. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video.